everyone, it's Melanie and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less. For those of you who are here for the very first time, thank you guys so much for joining, and I hope that you consider becoming a part of the Lux for Less family by clicking that subscribe button. And for those of you guys who have supported me over the past few years of this journey, thank you guys so much for your continuous support. You guys know I absolutely love tablescaping, and I am so excited to share with you this year's fall tablescape. I really found some amazing deals at the Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, and cutlery at Hobby Lobby for amazing prices, and I will be sharing all of that with you guys in this video today. Okay, so we are going to get started with a DIY, or should I say MYI, make it your own. We're going to make this pumpkin our own by painting it using 3 different shades of the blue craft paint. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to mix them together in order to get the exact hue that I'm looking for. And after I mix them all together, I'm just going to paint it using this sponge brush that I got from the Dollar Tree. It was just like one of those assorted packs, and this one is a little bit big. I would have preferred a smaller one, but I didn't want to waste the ones that I already had on hand. So while the pumpkin is drying, I am going to put on the table runner. Now, I absolutely love this. As you can see, it has the Easter eggs on one side, but we are going to use just the plain, it's more of a sateen feel on the back. So we're going to use that and then put the centerpiece in place that we're also going to MYI from Sam's. I got this one from Sam's Club, I believe. And I was not really super crazy about the colors. And so I definitely wanted to add a little bit more of a pop to it. And that's my Lux for Less tip number 2. Actually, I forgot to mention my first one, and that was to repurpose something in your home that you already had. Like the table runner was actually for an Easter tablescape, but I flipped it over and it works beautifully for my fall tablescape. And so with this, it was really cost effective for me to MYI this centerpiece, because the base for this would have been a lot more expensive, and all of the components would have been a lot more expensive for me to buy it piece by piece, and this was also a time saver. And so I'm just going to embellish it to fit my liking, but of course I'm saving tons of money by using this base. I think it was like $30-something, and so something like this could have easily been $59, $60, $70 or more at Home Goods and other stores like that. So I'm going to add in all the different pumpkins and greenery that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I just added all those pieces in, and different leaves in order to get the complete effect that I wanted and the complete look that I wanted. And so now we're going to go ahead and start setting our table. This is a cutting board that I got from the subscription box from At Home with Nikki, and I absolutely love it. I wanted to put like an extra layer on the table because I'm using these blue salt and pepper shakers that I purchased at Dillard's a while back. I think they were like $4.20 with an additional 50% off of that. So I paid like $2.10 for both of them, which was an amazing price. And then next up, I'm going to add these chargers. They are the faux wood grain chargers. These are from the Dollar Tree, and they match the wood planter that I have in the centerpiece. I absolutely love these. Oh my goodness, they look so luxurious, and they are the epitome of Lux for Less. So I'm going to go ahead and add these in on the table. Next up are these amazing melamine pumpkin plates from Family Dollar. I would like to give a huge shout out to the YouTube channel I'm just sharing. Her name is Kimya. She purchased these and shipped these to me. I was looking for them. I'd seen them on another YouTuber's Instagram account, and I went absolutely ballistic. I had to have them because they just met my vision for this season, and they were only $1.50 at Family Dollar. And, you know, of course, Family Dollar and Dollar Tree are technically the same company, but such an amazing deal. Now, the next item that I added to the Tablescape are these gorgeous two-tone wine glasses. I love, 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 love these. I picked them up at TJ Maxx. They were $2.99, but they were originally from the Z Gallery. During the summer, I was shopping at Hobby Lobby on their clearance sale, and I came across these beautiful pieces of cutlery. I absolutely love that twig shape, and I love the pewter silver, and it just was like the perfect blend of modern and rustic all and farmhouse all in one, and it really complemented this year's tablescape. So I'm going to add them on the table. And since I really didn't give you guys some good footage of me initially placing them, I still have this set that I need to put in place. So we are going to place these carefully now. I just love, love, love this color. They are very well made. They are by I think it's the Robert Stanley collection at Hobby Lobby. They were originally $24.99 for a set, and I got them for either 80 or 90% off. So here is an overall view of our tablescape this year, featuring items from the Dollar Tree, from Family Dollar, and TJ Maxx, and also Hobby Lobby. What's the strange thing is, like, every single piece was under $3 except for the centerpiece. Like, everything else was under $3. And I'm so, so, so amazed that I was able to accomplish this look on a budget. Like, you can definitely live luxuriously for less. I am so in love with the overall view, and I just want to give you guys kind of a panoramic view of the tablescape this year. And you guys be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know which aspect of this tablescape that you like best. I am also going to be doing a few more tablescapes this year, probably maybe one more at my home and then a couple at some other homes. So you guys let me know what theme you want to see. Do you want to see a glam tablescape with gold and really beautiful colors? Or do you want to see, like, me update the black and white tablescape that I did a few years ago when I did a non-traditional tablescape? If you guys have not seen that, I'll link it down below, but it's one of my most popular videos. Would you guys like for me to update that? So let me know which one you would prefer to see down in the comments below as well. So much for watching this video. I hope that you walked away with tons of ideas and inspiration for doing your tablescape this fall. If you enjoyed this tablescape, let me know what part you enjoyed about it most by leaving a comment down in the comments below. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.